What's going on, y'all? So real quick, I wanted to talk about something because if you watch a lot of my videos, then you know I talk a good bit about dudes needing to have something to show for themselves. You know what I mean? They ain't got to be rich and they ain't got to be balling, but they can't be eating ramen noodles every day and buying a sausage for breakfast and still be out here trying to date a woman. You know what I mean? You got to have priorities out here in these streets. But there's a flip side to that context. If you're on the other side of those tracks, if you're a dude that does have his shit together or something to show for yourself, you got to be smart about how you move out here too. Because these days you're going to be dealing with one of two types of women. She's either going to be an asset or she's going to be a liability. How you know the difference is if you're dealing with a girl that tells you that in order to prove or show your love, you have to go broke, then you're dealing with a little ass girl that needs to grow the fuck up. Plain and simple. You know what I mean? Those types of girls are subtractors. They're liabilities. They come in to decrease what you have. They come in to drain your resources. I don't care how much she brag about, oh, only a boss can deal with me and, you know, you got to spend money on me. I ain't no cheap ass hoe like these other tricks or whatever. Fuck all that. She's a setback. I don't care how fine she is, as opposed to a real woman who also is going to want you to spend some money on her. You know what I'm saying? Despite what people try to push on them, like a real woman supposed to be cool with struggle love and broke dates at McDonald's choosing from the dollar menu. A real woman is going to want nice things and not to live paycheck to paycheck and all that other shit. But a real woman is a multiplier. No matter what you got going on, a real woman can come in and increase that by 10. Understand how multiplication works though. If you got 0, it don't matter what she got. You feel what I'm saying? Anybody that paid attention to math class can tell you, multiply any number by 0 and what you come out with. 0. For those of you who didn't pay attention. But a real woman, for everything that you spend on her, she can help you multiply that by 10. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't have a problem with real women wanting to come in, you know, have nice things or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Or put financial stability as a priority in their lives. Because the whole thing is, a real woman's presence is an investment, as opposed to a bad bitch or a little ass girl who comes as a bill. So if you don't know the difference between the two, you're going to end up being the setback, and you're going to end up being the one a real woman tries to avoid so that she can stay up and keep her shit together. So understand who you're moving with, man, and choose wisely. Peace.